1. Remove the old Velcro. 2. Clean residual glue. Use rubbing alcohol or adhesive remover to wipe away leftover glue. 3. Apply the new Velcro to the designated location. Wash and dry your hands. Peel off the backing film without touching the sticky side. Use clean tweezers or other tools if needed. After pasting, press hard for 10 to 15 seconds to fix. 4. Install the mat. Align the mat with its corresponding position. Press down firmly and rub it up and down gently to firmly connect the mat and the Velcro.